For 30 years, he walked into every board meeting with a specific advantage. He built his authority on being the fastest with the right answer. Then his CFO asked a highly complex question. A generative AI tool processed the data and provided a detailed response in 11 seconds. That 11-second window effectively ended a 30-year professional strategy. The asset he traded on most heavily suddenly lacked any market value. When accurate information becomes an instantly accessible commodity, having the fastest answer ceases to be a human competitive advantage. He called my coaching practice the next morning. The urgency in his voice had nothing to do with technical workflows or learning to prompt. He was staring at a blank slate, trying to determine what he actually brought to the table now that his information advantage had evaporated. The current shift in the C-suite is an identity crisis. Leaders are realizing their professional persona was built on a foundation AI just made obsolete. This tension surfaced at the World Economic Forum in Davos, where the global business elite gather to map out industry trends. Julie Sweet, CEO of Accenture, shifted the conversation with a specific reframe. It's human in the lead, not human in the loop. A human-in-a-loop model treats the professional as a backstop, someone who simply checks what the machine produces to ensure productivity stays high. Human in the lead requires a different posture. It involves using relationship capital and clear principles to dictate the direction of the technology. To survive this transition, a leader must move from editing machine outputs to directing the organization's overarching purpose. In physics, shorter wavelengths locate precisely but travel less. Short wavelength leaders provide high precision in stable worlds, but their rigidity fails when markets become turbulent. Long wavelength leaders lead through principles, not positions, maintaining their range and adapting as their industry changes. AI can replicate the precision of a technical expert, but it struggles to mimic the adaptability of a principle-driven leader. This makes long wavelength traits the primary differentiator for future careers. In practice, an algorithm cannot scan a boardroom and detect the micro-expressions of a client who is having second thoughts. AI lacks the capacity to build trust through shared professional struggles or navigate the unwritten interpersonal dynamics that actually close major deals. As technical tasks are automated, these human-centric abilities provide a durable barrier against professional obsolescence. AI is purging the version of leadership that was built solely on hoarding information. Shifting your identity from an answer provider to a principle-driven connector is a necessary step for remaining relevant in an automated domain. Consider the foundation of your own professional identity. Will it survive what AI is currently doing to your industry?